Okay, I'm back. Had to get me some flux. And for some odd reason, I always have to struggle to get the little jar opened up. So I got me a piece of soldering. This might be a little bit too big. I got some other stuff I'll go get if this doesn't do what I want it to do. But the best way I've seen to kind of do this is you get you a nice little bead like that, heat her up, and there you go. Alright, I'm actually going to pause the video again because I forgot a lighter so I can actually do the shrink wrap. So I will pause this and be right back. Alright, and we're back. I've located a lighter to actually shrink the shrink tube down, get her to seal up. Rotate it around a little bit. There she is. Good as new. Alright, so let's cut off a small piece of heat shrink. Okay. Get the hot one out of the way. Slide it over the wire for later use. Get your wires straight. Just kind of shove them together. And then after you shove them together, go in there and start twisting. That just really holds it together. Once that solder goes in there, it's good. Alright, put a little flux on there. Get it to penetrate good. A little bit more. Alright. Then we are going to warm up the... I'm going to move the fan also in case I get a little drip to go through. I don't want to. I'm going to get a nice little puddle on it. It'd be nice if this wire was nice and level, but alright. Hold it on there for a minute. Oh. There she goes. Alright. Cool down for just a second. Alright. Slide your... Oh, no. Didn't let her cool down enough. Thank God I'll wait till we give that some time to cool down. Alright, cut off another piece. Now with these wires being so short, you are susceptible to kind of getting your heat shrink to prematurely shrink. It's not all that big of a deal. You just shave off a little bit of it and go on about your business. Push them together. Sorry if you're not be able to see this. This is really tight. Oh, there you go. It's a really tight. Hello. Alright, so we...
It's gonna rain soon.
Yep.